we'll multiply complex numbers with one another. So now we need to remember to use parentheses or brackets. So it's a plus bi times c plus di. And you would expand the brackets as you've learned how to do it in algebra. So it will be a times c, which is ac, plus a times di, which is ADI, plus BI times C, which is BCI, plus BI times DI, which is BDI squared. Now remember that I represents the square root of -1. So I squared would be equals to the square root of -1 squared, which is equals to -1. So when we simplify, we have AC minus BD, where the I square changes to -1. So we have AC minus BD plus AD in brackets plus BCI. So let us look at a practical example on how to multiply complex numbers with one another. Let us say that W is equals to 5 plus 7i and Z is equal to 2 plus 3i. And we want to multiply W with Z. So that is 5 plus 7i times 2 plus 3i. And if I multiply out, it's 5 times 2, which is 10. Then 5 times 3i, which is 15i. Plus 7i times 2, which is 14i. Plus 7i times 3i, which is 21i squared, where I squared is equals to -1. So that'll be 10 minus 21, which is equals to -11, and then 15i plus 14i, which is equals to 29i.